In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your secret recovery phrase and private key in Coinbase Wallet. Before we begin, a quick reminder, your secret recovery phrase and private key give full control over your wallet. Never share them with anyone and never paste them into websites, messages, or forms. Store them offline in a secure location you control. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Coinbase Wallet. Make sure you're going to the official Coinbase Wallet site or the official web app and double check the URL before you sign in. Use a trusted device and a secure internet connection for this. Once you're on the correct page, log into your account just as you normally would. After you've signed in, look for the settings area. On the web, you'll typically find it via a gear icon or a settings link, often in the upper right corner or within your profile menu. Clicking into settings is where you can manage wallet preferences and security options that relate to your keys and recovery tools. Inside settings, select Smart Wallet. This is the section that manages your on-chain wallet configuration and recovery options. If you have more than one wallet or profile, make sure you've selected the wallet you actually want to manage so the recovery details you generate match the correct account. Next, choose Account Recovery. This page is dedicated to recovery methods and access to the information that can help you restore your wallet if you ever lose access to your device. Here, you're in the right place to reveal the data you'll need for safekeeping. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to confirm it's really you before anything sensitive is shown. Now click Generate. The wallet will produce and display your secret recovery phrase, and it may also present the private key associated with your selected account. Take your time here. Carefully write the phrase down by hand and double check each word in the exact order shown. If you copy a private key, record it offline. Avoid screenshots and cloud notes as those can be accessed by other apps or services. Store your backups in a safe, separate location and consider creating 2 copies kept in different secure places. Remember, anyone with this information can move your funds. That's it. You've navigated to the exact place in Coinbase Wallet where you can generate and view your secret recovery phrase and private key. Keep them offline, keep them private, and you'll be prepared to recover your wallet whenever you need to. If this was helpful, make a secure backup now while everything is on your screen, and then close the page when you're done.